Hello guys, good morning. Have a nice day guys. Today I want to make a ginger shot. So this is the first time I drink the ginger shot. Of course I drink the ginger boil with the garlic and the cinnamon, but today I would like to try and I want to show you how I make the ginger shot. Watch it guys. Thank you so much. Hello guys, good morning. So today we will make a ginger shot. I have a ginger and I have a lemon here. So I have a juicer here too. So my juicer, I think long time ago already, I have a juicer that I never use. So I have a Kino juicer. And the bowl for the juicer. So here we will make now. Okay, so my heart won't let it rest. You keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this pain. Am I to find the things is here? Not here. Crossing the line so never mind, we will find all this bowl and then because I couldn't find here. Yeah. Okay. Here. Go. Okay. We will do like that. It's okay. Yeah, you can see. Okay, so we will get our juicer. So she cannot reach there. It's just so hard to let it go. Shine a light I can see. Why is here? Okay, and then got this all things. Okay, so cut from here. So we'll take the juice to make it to separate the juice easier. Okay, so we will take the ginger first. Because this one is I prefer so not to take out all the skin to make the juice. So we don't have the peelers, so we use like this. It's up to you if you don't like if you don't want to take out the skin, also can. So just take it out this one, the skin. Just not too much, a little bit. Okay, so the ginger one more here. Because if you do want to use everything, also can. If you do want to drink first, you keep in the fridge. And then keep in the fridge and then later you can drink. Or tomorrow morning, you also can drink that. Okay, done. So not really cut. Okay, so we take the wash first. Okay, so here. So this is already clean. And then we will cut small pieces because I don't want the juicer is small only the face. So easy for you to do. Okay, do. Done. And then yeah, just on. Okay, already on. Okay, so we'll do it now. Okay, just press. Just a little, and then the juice you wash this one. The juice you just if you have you know, in the juicer you just squeeze it with okay. If you do one the thing, you just use this one, and normally I'm using this. No, to be sure that the seed of the juice is not together. Okay, done. You will squeeze nicely because we don't want to waste the juice of the lemon. Okay, so then we already have a ginger shot, and then we can put the honey if you want. You just put the honey a little bit. Okay. Okay, so we'll put the honey. Okay, done. So here. Ginger shot. Must wash everything before you use, otherwise dirty. This is my shots now. Oh my god. So I left a little bit. Up to you if you want to finish up. The ginger. It's really good when the ginger come out here. The ginger will be like, example, your esophagus, like you can feel the ginger is strong. Of course, this one I have to keep it. Then I keep this inside the fridge. Hello guys. Hi guys. I feel wow. First time I'm doing the ginger shot, so I just shared to you guys. I eat a little bit. It's very horrible the taste because the ginger is really squeezes by the juicer. It's totally different. I make the boiled garlic and the cinnamon different. It's different taste. The ginger shot is pure, and then if you can feel really the ginger that go inside here, it's really I eat a little bit of chocolate, a little bit. So very strong. If you really want to do the immune system strong, according that I read in the internet, is ginger shot is good. I think the whole world is ginger shot is very famous, so I just try the ginger shot guys, and then be more healthy. Wow. If you never eat the chocolate cat, terrible. Terrible. I try because I want. Normally some people put the turmeric, but I do want. The ginger is okay, normal ginger. The old, this one you call it old ginger. Hi, Auntie. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.